All right, I'm off for a little ride. Going to go around the back bay and then swing by the U.S. Open of Surfing Day 2. See you on the trail. Morning. And coming up on the first of the golf courses we'll go by, this is Costa Mesa Country Club on the right, where PGA Touring professional Jake Knapp got his start. Good morning. We're going to go down that bike path. There's the entrance. First week of the Orange County Fair. They've got shuttles taking people to the fair. You can see the Ferris wheel. We're going to go ride right by the fairgrounds. The fair opens at 10 o'clock, so nothing going on yet. The sidewalk should be safe. Well, it's actually a bike path too. On Newport Boulevard, coming up to Mesa, we're going to cross over the freeway on Mesa. This is another entrance. Parking lot opens at 10. Fair opens at 11. So now you know. On Mesa Drive, and to my left is, I think, the oldest country club in Orange County, Santa Ana Country Club. It's private. Ahead on the right and left is the Newporter. It's an executive golf course, and they were just recently spared. Going to put a surf park over here where the driving range is, but the investors in that backed out. There's still a threat of developing it for affordable housing. We'll see how that goes. Coming into downtown Huntington Beach on day 2 of the World Surf League US Open of Surfing. The sand sculpture is finished. The midway is filled up with people, all kinds of exhibits. Day 2 of the World Surf League US Open of Surfing. Now, there was not much going on day 2 of the US Open of Surfing. In between good swells and the tides, but there are a lot of people out there enjoying the day. Not too hot. Lovely day.